In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Skype video call. Let's dive right into it. With the shift to online meetings, interviews, and friendly video chats, recording these calls for future reference or memories has become more crucial than ever. Fortunately, Skype provides a very straightforward way to do this, and I'm here to walk you through the process. First off, you'll need to open your favorite web browser. Head over to the Skype website. You'll see an option saying Open Skype in Browser. Go ahead and click on that. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you enter your account details. This step ensures that you're logged into your account and ready to start or join a video call. Once you're in, navigate to the chat section. Skype organizes conversations in a way that makes it simple to find the person or group you're looking to call. You might already have ongoing conversations listed, or you might need to search for a specific contact if it's your first time initiating a call with them. After finding and clicking on your desired chat, you're all set to start the video call. You should see a video call button. It's usually represented by a camera icon. Click on this to start the call. Alternatively, if you're on the receiving end, just hit the answer button when the call comes in. Now here comes the essential part, recording the call. Once the call is active and you're connected, take a quick glance at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll find the record button there. It's hard to miss. Clicking on this will instantly start the recording process. It's always best practice to inform the other participants that you're recording the call for privacy and consent reasons, and that's it. You've successfully started recording your Skype video call. Once the call is concluded, the recording gets saved automatically. You can access it from the chat window of the call you just recorded. This makes it super easy to review, download, or share the recording later. Recording Skype calls can be incredibly handy, whether for keeping a record of important business discussions, revisiting moments from virtual family gatherings, or ensuring you don't miss out on critical details from interviews or meetings. Remember, while the process of recording calls is straightforward, the ethics around it are just as important. Always ensure everyone on the call knows they're being recorded. This maintains trust and complies with privacy laws. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident in recording Skype video calls, whether it's for work, personal archives, or anything in between. Knowing how to record your video calls is an invaluable skill in today's digital age.